Could you tell us a little bit about the family tradition of bird catching and what you know about that?
When I was little, maybe 5 or 6, something like that, my great uncle, that is to say my mother's uncle, a Hawaiian by the name of Samuel Kailiho, took me up into the mountains behind Lahaina and told me to be quiet the whole time we were going up. And when we got up to some small ohia trees, he looked around quite some time till he found one that had a branch that he could lift me up to. And above my head would be some other branches. And he just enjoined me to be quiet and also don't move. So about maybe 10 minutes later, 15 minutes later, a little red bird sat down on the branch above my head. That's what he was waiting for, my great uncle. And he reached up behind me and onto the branch where the bird was and put something on the branch. I didn't know what it was. And the bird moved up finally, moved up to where that was. And it was clear to me it was stuck. So he reached up then and got the bird in his hand like this, and with his other hand rubbed the feet of the bird and then let it go. So by then I was about dying. I wanted to know what was all this about. So I asked him, what is all this about? In Hawaiian, of course. He told me that in our family the men were bird catchers. We haven't been bird catchers for about 3 generations. But my grandfather, would be 2 generations before, was taught, and he taught my father, and my father taught me just what I taught you now. This is how you catch a bird. This is how you release it. And I said, well, why aren't you catching them now? He said, because we used to catch them for the feathers that they had. And this would be the whole kufu you would give for the makahiki to the chiefs, who would have to keep a lot to make the feather capes and mahiole and so on. Oh, well. He said, I know that you will never do this, and besides, you're not a boy, but you will never have to do this, but I wanted you to see how it was done. Later, he took me and showed me the plant where he got the sticky stuff, and that's Pisonia, Pisonia, pāpala, kēpau, I think that's her name. And then he had kukui oil on a piece of cloth. That's how he carried it, but he had it in his hand for the bird feet.
So that's how he cleaned the bird feet?
To take the oil off or the goop off the bird's feet. So when it landed somewhere else, it wouldn't get stuck there.